Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to turn off autoplay videos while on cellular data on Pinterest. Maybe you want to save your mobile data or you prefer to manually control when to play the videos. So today I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay videos while on cellular data on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located at the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here, you should select the settings option. On this window, tap on the social permissions option. Here, scroll up and under download section, you can now see this autoplay videos on cellular data option. Since you wanted to turn off this option, you simply need to toggle off this button beside the option. After that, we now have successfully turned off autoplay videos while on cellular data on Pinterest. This will give you more control when the videos will play and will help you conserve your data usage. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn off autoplay videos while on cellular data on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn off autoplay videos while on cellular data on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.